In this video, you'll learn how to deploy apps using Emergent AI. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you can successfully deploy your applications with ease. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to www.com. This is the starting point for accessing Emergent AI's platform. After the Google homepage loads, locate the search box in the center of the page. Click on this search box to activate it, allowing you to enter your query. Type Emergent AI into the search box and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search for the Emergent AI platform. Once the search results appear, look for the link that reads Emergent AI-powered app development, no code required. Click on this link to be directed to the Emergent AI website. After navigating to the Emergent AI homepage, you should see various options and features displayed. Locate the Recent Apps section, which is usually positioned prominently on the page. Click on Recent Apps to view the applications you have previously worked on or created. This section enables you to select an app for deployment. Next, choose the app you wish to deploy from the list of recent applications. This selection is crucial as it determines which app will undergo the deployment process. After selecting the app, you will see an option labeled Deploy. Click on this button to start the deployment process. This step is where your selected app begins its transition to being fully operational. Once the deployment is initiated, you may need to confirm your action. Look for a prompt or confirmation message that ensures you want to proceed with the deployment. After confirming the deployment, the system will process your request. Depending on the app's complexity and your internet speed, this may take some time. Monitor any progress indicators that appeared during this period. When the deployment is complete, you will usually receive a confirmation message indicating success. At this point, click on Close to exit the deployment window and return to your app list. You have now successfully deployed your app using Emergent AI. Make sure to check the app functionality after deployment to ensure everything is working as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.